It's time for another edition of Wardy Screencasts, Annotated Bibliographies. I'm going to walk you through this assignment pretty quickly. I've already kind of showed you this on the screen, but hey, if you forgot, here we go. So you have to find at least 3 credible sources, one from a library database, which we're going to focus on internet search today. Library database will be next time, and I'll show you how to get the Mla citation down here that you shall need. You're going to have a sample. This will be filled out completely. And actually, let me get rid of this real quick. So, this sample will be filled out. You'll have it. You're just going to make yours underneath sources 1, 2, and 3 look like the sample. You're going to need the Mla citation. Explain how I know the source is credible, applying the CRAP method, and a summary of the text. Basically, annotated bibliography as we've looked at. So first one, I have my source. Why we need to embrace esports in education. Alright, so I need my Mla citation. So I've already looked at the EasyBib and how to get that. If you're using the library database, there's a tutorial video with that too. Each are about 3 minutes. I've already done this, so look. I'm going to put that in there. Now the thing is, I need a hanging indent, which means every line except the first one is indented. Why? Because works cited pages, it's like a backwards paragraph. Paragraphs get indented so you can find out where it starts. This one, if I have to scan and I want to go, all right, I need to find the source. I don't have to read a whole bunch. I just go down, all right, find H. Oh yeah, it was this one. It's easy to find. That's why I do a hanging indent. So what is this? I'm going to go to the end. It's the only way I can figure out. If you do this at the beginning, the first line moves over, it doesn't work. So I go to the end of this line. I might have to do it 2 or 3 times. This time it worked once. Go to the end of this line. And this is where it's going to need to be a few times, unfortunately. Let's keep doing it until this indents down. This will be double spaced on a works cited page. For now, it's fine. Boom, done. How do I know it's credible? All right, CRAP, current. That's within 5 years. It's actually not even a year old. Is it relevant? If I'm doing something on esports and how it impacts kids, well, this is talking about education. So I'm going to treat and tell you I've read it already, so I do know that it kind of ties into what I want to do. So it's current, it's relevant, authority. Who is this Chris dude? All right, let me go up to the About section. Because again, anybody can do a blog. He's a teacher at a middle school. He also has created video game, gamification in his classroom, game-based learning. So he is he has experience. I don't know if he's an expert, but he has experience. And he's got his own blog. But again, he's a teacher. He's credible. Is it accurate? Reading it, I believe it is. His purpose is really to get people to realize, hey, kids are learning through sports, e-gaming, you need to take advantage of it. So, to not belabor the point, how to know it's credible. The source is not even 1 year old and is published by a teacher and gamer, which provides him with experience in the topic. In addition, the source is relevant to the issue on esports and impact on kids. All right, applied the CRAP method. Now summary. This is where I'd go and summarize and say, hey, why is it relevant to my paper? Having read this, he talks about the fact that there are colleges. 50 schools have given $9 million in scholarships. There are leagues. 450 colleges by the end of this year. Rutgers has one. So this does kind of say, hey, this is not going away. The guy talks about the fact that he's played college sports. He is a gamer. He's saying, basically, here's a call to action. Building this school-to-college pipeline is important because it reaches a group of kids who often don't have home or school connection. So those gamers, maybe now they'll have more of an interest. And he talks about creating esports teams in schools, that kind of thing. So I'm not going to belabor this and bore you by having you watch me write my summary. by the time you get this document, the summary will be in there. Again, just make your entries for all three of your sources look like this. Wardy is out. Yeah, Wardy out.